Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to M.Shakir. Today we are discussing the difference between SAG stories and SAG analytic application. So let's begin. In this video, we will explore what are the interface of SAG analytic application and SAG stories. Side by side, let's discuss first and explore the interface of SAG stories. So let's zoom in. Here it is. Here in the SAC stories, we have on the left of the screen, we have asset, outline, and filters. We have discussed in detail in my previous video. If you still not watch the previous video, do explore it and get back to this video. So in the SAC stories, we have the filter control, text input, containers, and widget on the left side of the screen. Whereas if on whereas on the right side we have the properties of all the widget. We can do styling and we can set the properties of any widget or any element of our stories. Whereas if we talk about the interface of analytical application, as you are seeing here, the headline of this is analytic application, and we have created new analytic application. In the interface of new analytic application, we have directly the outline here, and under the outline heading we have the layout section and the scripting section, whereas the other sections are still present but not at the front of the screen. All the other things are still present into the other menus. So So this is the straightforward look of both the interface of both things, SAC stories and the SAC analytic application. Let's discuss in detail what are the features of both of these and how SAP manage both interfaces side by side. So, we are discussing here the difference between SAC stories and SAC analytic application. First of all, let's discuss the purpose, why SAP created the stories interface and the analytic application interface side by side, and why and the what is the purpose of both interfaces. Let's discuss one by one. First of all, let's discuss SAC stories. SAC stories are designed primarily for data visualization and reporting. They allow us and users to create interactive dashboard and reports that help in analyzing data and making data driven decisions. So on the other side, SAC analytical applications are more focused on providing advanced analytical capabilities and building custom applications for a specific business need. They allow for deeper data manipulation and custom logic. In short, if we compare both things, we come to know and we come to the point that the SAC analytical application interface is nothing but the advanced form of SAC stories, because in the SAC stories, most of the dashboard are static, and we cannot do advanced calculation. We cannot do the analytical analytical things or specific business requirement analysis in the SAC stories. Whereas by using the features of advanced features of SAC, we use analytical application to achieve any particular business requirement in a blink of eye. So let's move. Here it is. Here I have mentioned some features of SAC stories, and on the right side some features of analytical application. So let's first discuss the features of SAC stories. Visualization. Visualization is the most important thing of SAC stories. In this visualization, we can include various type of chart, graph, tables, maps, and other visual elements. On the second thing, interactivity. User can interact with the data through filters, input control, and drill down to explore different aspects of the data. In this way, user have some personal experience. Some users can relate with the stories, and users can build or create his own stories as well as he need and as per his requirement. He can create his filters. He can add its input control, and he can also drill down to explore the insights of any story. On the third point, design. Stories offer a lot of flexibility in design, enabling users to create customized layout and formats that best represent the data. In short, the user can create any form of design. Either he wants to explore some geo features, explore some charts, or explore some tables side by side, or he can put a bunch of elements, like he can make detail by using detail page, by using the tables. He can show the statistics by using the graph. Every type of graph are present. Almost every type of chart is present in the SAC stories. Last but not least, user experience. When the user have the friendly when the user have the user friendly experience, he can engage more and more in the stories, and he can do work with very easily, and he can work very he can take he can create a story where everyone can get benefit from it, and he can play around the complex data more accessible and understandable way. So on the right side, we have SAC analytical applications feature. First of all, the most important thing of analytical application is custom logic. User can implement custom script and logic using SAP Analytical Cloud scripting language, which allow for more sophisticated data processing and interaction. So it's mean a user, whatever the logic needs by the business, the user can customize its logic by using the scripting language, which is the subset of Java language. So it's very easy to build a custom logic in the analytical application for achieving any particular task. Secondly, complex interactions. They enable the creation of more complex and dynamic applications with the ability to integrate various data sources and create custom workflows. So it's mean that these applications can integrate to any data source, like any OData source, any non-SAP system sources, or we can a user can build any custom workflow, because this application can interact with the user, or can get input and can get any result by using its custom workflows. On the third point, in the SAC application, we have advanced functionality. Analytical application can include advanced calculations, user-defined action, and more interested interactive elements compared to stories. So as compared to stories, the SAC application have advanced mathematical calculation, or the user or the analytical user can do analysis very in deeper and deeper by using the advanced functionality of analytical application. Last but not least, integration. They often involve integrating with other systems or services to provide a more comprehensive and analytical solution. So, lastly, we can summarize that best for standard data visualization and reporting needs, we use SAC stories, which offer a more user-friendly interface for creating interactive dashboard and report. Whereas for analysis purpose, we use the analytical application. It is ideal for custom, complex analytical solution that require advanced logic and integration beyond basic reporting. So, hope you understand what I'm trying to. Hope you understand both the things, SAC stories and SAC analytic application very firmly. I tried to summarize. I tried to summarize both things in a very useful manner. So then you can understand the difference of both. Hope you learned something new from this video. If you like this video, do click on the like button. Also, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and let's meet to another new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.